In this exercise, we have an inequality. The inequality is 14x plus 9 is greater than 13x minus 4. We're going to solve this inequality, and we'll write set notation for the answer. Well, what I want to do is to get x alone on one side of the inequality. And I'm going to start by subtracting 13x on both sides, because that will eliminate the x term on the right-hand side. And the addition principle for inequalities tells me I can do this. So I'll write 14x plus 9 minus 13x is greater than 13x minus 4 minus 13x, subtracting 13x on both sides. 14x minus 13x is just x, so I have x plus 9 on the left. And on the right, 13x minus 13x is 0, so I have 0 minus 4, or just negative 4 on the right-hand side. Now, to get x alone on the left-hand side, I can subtract 9 on both sides of the inequality. So let's do that. X plus 9 minus 9 is greater than negative 4 minus 9. On the left, I have x plus 0, or just x. And on the right-hand side, I have negative 13. So I have x is greater than negative 13. And writing set notation for the answer, we would say that the solution set is the set of all x such that x is greater than negative 13.